Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics. We will start today a new chapter belongs to 2A. Okay, second year mathematics and Demoivres theorem. This is the second what we can say chapter in this uh, class. Okay, first was complex number. Demoivres theorem. Okay, see question number 1. 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to how much, like they are asking. This question is asked in Eamcet 1996. If you don't bother about this year, different models I am taking, okay, that you understand. Why? Because after seeing my all what we can say these classes and all, then you should be able to attend your Eamcet examination. Okay. Okay. See, before proceeding, let us write standard Demoivres theorem. See what I am writing. Cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, that means this n will come and multiply with angle theta. This is the standard Demoivres theorem. This is also called CIS. Original, this one is CIS theta. Okay, CIS theta. CIS theta. Okay, afterwards what will happen then? This CIS n theta. Finally, okay. No, CIS theta power n, like you think. Why this is different? These are all equal. You can keep here equal to. Why? Because CIS n theta, CIS n theta, CIS n theta. But this is not that one. Or else you can write CIS whole power n theta. Like, okay. This is the Demoivres theorem. Okay. Now let us see here. Is this as per this formula? Not there. Why? Because see, 1 is extra. If 1 minus is not there, means directly you can write, but 1 has come. What we are going to do then? You see what I am doing? 1 minus cos theta means what is our formula? Minus is there means sine will come. 2 sine square theta by 2. 50% of this angle. You see what I am writing now? See, once again I will write this question and we will proceed. 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n, not n, this is n is 8 here, is equal to, how I am changing, you see, 1 minus cos theta I can change as 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos theta plus I, see, when you change this one side in theta by 2 form, then you have to change this also in theta by 2 form. We know very well sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin a is equal to 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Sin theta also you can write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Now you write whole to the power of n. Okay. Now you write whole to the power of n. Now see, directly with power n, shall I take 2 sin theta by 2? 2 sin theta by 2, why? Because 2 sin theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 is there. But with power you have to take, don't forget. Okay, without power you cannot take. See what I am doing now? I am taking like this. You see, 2 power n sin power n theta by 2. 2 power n sin power n theta by 2. I have taken as common. Okay? Why? Because see, one sign is there, 2 signs are there, sign into sign. Here also sign is there. Sign can directly you cannot take out. Why? Because power n is there. That is why you have to take like this. Then what will happen afterwards? It will be like this. 2 sign has gone, only sign will be there. Sin theta by 2, okay, plus I, 2 sign has gone, cos theta by 2 will be there. Power n. This n always I am writing. Why? Because you have to write 8 here. If it is 8 means here also 8 will come then. Okay, 8. 2 power 8 sine to the power of 8. 2 power 8 sine to the power of 8. Why? Because n is here 8. Okay. Okay. Now you see, even now also it is not in the form of what we can say standard cos theta plus I sin theta by 2. Then what you are going to do? You take I common. See what I am doing now. Observe carefully. 2 power 8, how much it will be? 256. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 16, 256. Shall I write 256 or else I will write afterwards last? Sine to the power of 8 theta by 2 Okay, you see, I will take I common. I if I take common, if you want to take out means I power 8 how to take. Don't forget. I power 8. I to the power of 8. I have taken common. Then cos will come this side. Why? Because normally I goes inside automatically. I to the power of 8 is there. Cos theta will come plus. So that is why you write cos theta by 2 first. Okay. Then sin theta by 2 will be this side. Power 8 is also there. That is all okay. But now you tell me whether it comes plus or minus. Why? Because minus will come. Okay. Why? Because minus I sin theta by 2. Why? Because you see, if I set I and automatically inside, power will go top and I will go, it will what we can say, multiply I square minus 1, but minus of minus 1 plus sin theta by 2. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. And I outside is there. I is always I cos theta by 2. Okay. Now you can convert this. See what I am writing now. Now it is in this form. N you can 8 you can multiply now. You understand now? Now multiply 2 power 8 sine to the power of 8 theta by 2. I power 8 means what value? I power 4 is 1. I power 8 means I power 4 whole square. 1 square, 1. That means you need not write this I1, I power 8 again. Okay, now I am bringing this n inside. 8 cos 8 theta by 2 minus I sine 8 theta by 2. You understand this? Okay, now you see 4 times it goes 4 theta sine 4 theta. Okay, sine 4 theta. Then you finalize now. Then see 2 power 8 is 256. Shall I write 256? 256 sine to the power of sine theta by 2 whole to the power of 8. Okay, and you see cos 4 theta minus I sine 4 theta. Okay, this is your final answer. Take this, we will go for second question. Okay, see second question. This question is from 2013 Eamcet. 1 plus I by 1 minus I whole to the power of 4 plus 1 minus I by 1 plus I whole to the power of 4. Okay, see, even though this is in Demoivres theorem, but without Demoivres theorem also we can do. Why? Because see, whichever is best, whichever is less time taking, that process you apply. Okay, like normal complex form only you can do it. You need not go for what we can say Demoivres theorem. Okay, let me write. You see, rationalize this. See what I am doing now. That is equal to 1 plus I into 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I into 1 plus I. Why? See, denominators conjugate. You have taken and you are multiplying. That is called rationalization. Okay. You keep to the power of 4 plus. Here also you see 1 minus I into 1 minus I divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. Conjugate you have taken, you have multiplied. Okay. Sorry, to the power of 4. Okay. Now you see a plus b whole square. Directly I am writing, you see a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by conjugate. When I is there, directly 1 square plus 1 square. That's all. 1 plus 1. Okay, to the power of 4 plus. Here also a square, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 1 plus 1 whole to the power of 4. Okay. Now you see 1 plus I square, 1 plus I square, both are going to get cancelled. Why? Because I square value is minus 1. 1 minus 1. That means 2I by 2 to the power of 4 plus minus 2I by 2 to the power of 4. Okay. 2 going to get cancelled. I to the power of 4 plus 2 going to get cancelled. Minus I to the power of 4. I to the power of 4 value you know 1 plus minus I square itself will give plus again square. This is also going to give 1 only. Okay, 1, that is equal to 2. This is the answer. Okay, you see, in simple way, if you able to do, then you do. Don't go for that formula. Okay, let us go for third question. Okay, let us see third question. Eamcet 2018 question. When n is equal to 8, see, rather than like this directly they would have given root 3 plus I whole to the power of 8 plus root 3 minus I whole to the power of 8, like. But even though they have given, we will let us write this. Before writing, I am writing the standard Demoivres theorem formula. Okay, Demoivres theorem standard formula is like that. You see, cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of n is equal to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, this is the formula. See, to get these values like this, we have to change this into cos into sin form. But if you observe there, those are not in cos into sin form. Once again, I am writing these values, you see. Root 3 plus I whole to the power of 8, I am writing. Why? Because 8 plus root 3 minus I whole to the power of 8, again I am writing. Are these in cos or sin form? No. Then you have to bring this. How you are going to bring? We know very well cos value and sin value, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 at 30 degree. But divided by 2 is not there. Here 1 is there, but 1 by 2 is not there. Here root 3 is there, root 3 by 2 not there. Then you bring counter it, multiply with 2. You see what I am writing? 2 I am multiplying and root 3 by 2 I am bringing plus I by 2 also I am bringing. I by 2 means I into 1 by 2 is there, like you think. Okay? Okay, see, is it correct? Not correct. Why? Because see, here if you send inside automatically this 2 power 8 is not there. That is why you have to take here 2 power 8 also. If power 8 is not there means this is correct, but power 8 is there means here also power 8 should come. With 2 power 8 only it go inside and cancelled, root 3 will come. And cancelled 2 and I will come. Is it okay? Okay. Now you can convert this. Root 3 by 2 we know cos 30 degree, cos pi by 6. Okay, see. This is this one. Okay, 2 power 8. Again you send for this also. You have to make this also. Na? You see what I am writing? Plus 2 power 8 into root 3 means root 3 by 2 minus I by 2 whole to the power of 8. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Now you do something. 2 power 8 you can take common. I am taking common. You see 2 power 8 I have taken common. Okay. Now what I am doing inside 2 I am writing separately, but you see cos pi by 6, write down. Cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 8 plus 2 power 8 already gone outside. Again you write cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 8. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Okay, now proceed further then. See, first you send the 8 inside, both. Afterwards we will cancel out this plus minus. Okay, until now don't cancel. 2 power 8 will be like this only. You see, n I am sending. Cos 8 pi by 6 plus I sin 8 pi by 6 plus. Now while sending, then you can open this bracket, no problem. Why? Because after sending cos 8 pi by 6 minus I sin 8 pi by 6. Okay? Okay. Now you tell me these both are same. You can cancel out. Definitely I can cancel out. Okay, now go ahead. Now you see cos 8 pi by 6 plus cos 8 pi by 6. 2 cos 8 pi by 6. 2 cos 8 pi by 6 or 4 by 3. Okay. Now see 2, now multiplication 2 power 9 cos 4 pi by 3. 2 power 9 cos 4 pi by 3. Cos 4 pi by 3. Cos 4 pi by 3 value means what? Okay, see. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. 60 into 40, 240. 240 means it will come here. This is 270, 180, 240. See, 180 plus 60. Cos 180 plus 60. Cos 180 plus 60 I am writing once again. 2 power 9 cos 180 plus 60 degree. Okay, that is 240. Now you tell me cos 180 plus 60 means what will come? See, horizontal angle cos only will come. 2 power 9 cos only will come because it is in tan cot tangent, third quadrant. Cos is going to become negative. That means minus 2 power 9 cos 60 degree. Minus 2 power 9 cos 60 means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means this 2 will make this 2 power 8. Minus 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is how much? 2 power 8 is 16 into 16, 256. Minus 256. You understand this question? Okay. Let us go for fourth question. Okay, see fourth question now. 2 by I plus root 3 whole to the power of 100 plus 2 by I minus root 3 whole to the power of 100 is equal to how much, like they are asking. This question is asked in Eamcet 2019. Let us see what will happen and all. See, in denominator we cannot do anything. First we have to rationalize this. Then we will see what will come and all. Okay? Let us proceed further. You see what I am writing? Shall I make like this? 2 into I minus root 3 by I plus root 3 into I minus root 3. See, I plus root 3 was 1, but conjugate of this one is I minus root 3. Numerator and denominator I have made. Okay, power to the 100 should be written like this only. Okay, again 2 into I plus root 3 divided by I minus root 3 into I plus root 3 whole to the power of 100. Is it okay? First you see. Okay, definitely okay. You see now 1 square plus root 3 square, 1 plus 3, 4 will come. Okay, once again I will write, don't worry, that is equal to, you see, 2 into I minus root 3 divided by 1 plus 3 to the power of 100 plus 2 into I plus root 3 divided by 4 to the power of 100. Okay? Now proceed further. Okay. Now 2 power 100, 2 power 100, shall I take common both? Okay, outside. See what I am doing now. 2 power 100 I have taken common. From here also, from here also. Now see, 4 power 100 is there. No, don't do it that. Why? Because see, you make divided by 2. Why? Because that will be very easy. 2 times goes. Okay? Now see what happening. Yes. Easy. Why? Because you see, I by 2 minus root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 100 plus I by 2 plus root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 100. How it has happened? Because see, here 2 is there, here 4 it is going to happen. 2 times it goes, divided by 2. Divided by 2 is there for both. Now that 2 is not there. I by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay? Now you do one thing. This is okay. Plus is there, that is why you can write root 3 by 2 or something like that. But here you have to take I common. Okay? I common. Or else you are not going to get minus root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 you have to write. See what I am writing. First rearranging. I am rearranging. You see, rearranging means first I will write this one. You see what will happen? Root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 whole to the power of 100 is this one. Second one plus, how I am writing this also, you observe carefully, minus root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 plus I by 2 whole to the power of 100. Is it okay? Okay, see what I am doing now. This is okay, but here minus root 3 by 2 is there. What I am doing, I am taking minus 1 outside with power 100. Minus 1 if I take, automatically root 3 by 2 minus I 1 by 2 will come. You see what is happening here. You see what is happening. Okay, write down. Okay, you see that is equal to root 3 by 2 plus I by 2 power 100. This is okay. This is no problem. But here minus 1 I am taking out. Minus 1 to the power of 100 Why? Because minus 1 you have taken, but you have taken from out also. That means minus power 100, minus 1 power 100. Anyway, this is going to become positive only. Now you see, what will happen here? Root 3 by 2 only will come, but here carefully, minus I by 2 will come. Why? Because minus 1 you have taken out. Minus 1 again if you send, this is going to become minus, this is going to become plus. This is minus, this is plus. Okay. Now you understand this logic? Okay. Minus 1 power 100 is 1 only. Okay. Now proceed further then. Proceed further. That is equal to, now you change this cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 to the power of 100 plus, because this minus power 100 is plus only. Okay. Cos pi by 6 minus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 100. Okay. Okay. Now you send that minus 100 inside y. Anyway, these two are going to get cancelled out each other. Okay. First you send, directly don't cancel. First you send inside, then you cancel. Okay. Okay. See what I am doing now. Cos of 100 pi by 6 plus I sin 100 pi by 6. Okay. Now when you send automatically, you need not keep this parenthesis inside. Plus cos 100 pi by 6 minus I sin 100 pi by 6. Okay. Now 100 pi by 6 plus minus you cancel out each other. Okay. I have cancelled out each other. Now you see 50 by 3. 50 by 3. Okay. Write down. That is equal to 2 cos 50 by 3. 2 cos 50 by 3 pi. 50 pi by 3. See, 50 pi by 3 means what? How can you split? 48 pi shall I split? Directly left. Why? Because you see what I am, what I want to tell. See what I am writing. 2 cos 48 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Is it okay? See, 3 is LCM, again 50 pi by 3 will come. 50 pi by 3. Okay. Now why I have made like this? You see, 3 16s will go. 16 pi. 16 pi, or see 2 pi, 4 pi, like that. 16 pi is even pi. Odd pi means this one, even pi means that one. Okay. 1 it is going to come. See, why horizontal angle I want to say. Horizontal angle is there, 2 pi by 3 how to take. See, now horizontal angle cos plus something is there. Okay, the 2 pi by 3 what will happen? You tell me now. Whatever it may be theta, but see, horizontal angle 16 by pi is there. 16 by pi. Horizontal angle cos only will come, and 2 pi plus something is there, means we don't know this value temporarily. We take plus only. 2 cos 2 pi by 3 will come. 2 cos 2 pi by 3. Now you see what is this value under. Pi by 3 is 60. 60 into 2, 120. 120 means this is gone to second quadrant. Second quadrant means negative. Write down. Minus 2 cos 120 degree. 120 degree means how much it will come? I am writing, you see. First of all, you write 2 cos 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree. 120 degree means, you see, here I am writing. Like this will come. 90 plus 30. But here 30 means here 60. 180 minus 60. Cos 180 minus 60. 120. 180 minus means cos only will come. That is equal to 2 cos only will come. 2 cos 60. 180 minus 60 means 60 only will come. But that quadrant belongs to sine, not cos. That is why minus will come. That means minus 2 cos 60. That is equal to minus 2 into cos 60 value is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Finally minus 1 will come. You understand this logic? Why? Because in trigonometrics some basic knowledge you should have, or else we are not able to do this. Okay? Let us go for fifth question. Okay, see, this question is asked in Eamcet 2018. Let us proceed. N belongs to positive integer. I plus sin theta plus I cos theta whole power n plus I sin theta minus I cos theta whole power n is how much, like they are asking. Okay, see, here cos should be there, but cos is here and sin is here. How you are going to convert cos into sin? We know very well. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Let us proceed like that only. See what I am writing, that is equal to 1 plus cos 90 minus theta plus I sin 90 minus theta. Is it okay? Whole to the power of n. Okay, but both you have to write. This is going to take some a little bit bigger. Plus, again you write on 1 plus cos 90 minus theta minus, okay, minus I sin 90 minus theta whole to the power of n. You understand this? Okay, you see, one is like this only, don't forget, one will be like this only, but sin only have changed. Cos 90 minus theta, again it will become sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta, again it is going to become cos theta. But you require in this area cos, in this area sin. That is why I have written like this. Now what I am going to do, you see, now don't think this pi by 2 minus theta. Entire this thing is like 1 plus cos a. 1 plus cos a means 2 cos square a by 2. Write down. That is equal to 2 cos square a by 2. A by 2 means what will have? Pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Both you have to, what we can say, divide. Theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. Plus is there. Cos square. If minus comes, sin square. Okay. Theta is there means theta by 2. Okay. Like that. This is okay. But what about this? See, when you are changing this side half angle, this also you have to change in half angle. 2 sin pi by 4, 2 sin theta by 2, cos theta by 2. Write down. 2 sin theta by 2 means this one is pi by 4 minus theta by 2, cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, see, this is only one side. This side also you have to write. But first to put this one. Power n. Okay. Now again write plus. Plus. Again same thing will happen with minus. 2 cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2 plus I, not plus, minus will come. Minus I 2 sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay. Power n. Okay. Now both 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta same are there. You take it out. Shall I take from both at one go? We can take. That is not a problem. You see what I am doing now? That is equal to 2 cos n is there, don't forget. 2 cos power n pi by 4 minus theta by 2. 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2 I want to take, but power n why you have taken, but power n is there. Okay, now we proceed further then. Now here only one cos pi by 4 theta by 2 will be there, right? Because 2 and cos theta outside gone. Okay, write down. Cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay. Plus I. 2 cos already gone outside. Only sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is there. Okay. Shall I apply now? Individual n you keep now, plus same thing happen with minus. Okay, cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2 minus I sin pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, power n. Okay, now what we do? We will send inside and we will open this bracket, but this is common. This you should not change anything. Okay, let us proceed further. Okay, see what I am doing. 2 cos power n pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, now you see n I am sending inside. You see cos n pi by 4 minus n theta by 2. Don't forget that n will multiply with the entire this angle. N pi n theta. Okay, n pi by 4 n theta by 2. And put one parenthesis. Okay. See, when you send n inside, why should we increase the steps? This I am going to cancel. Why? Because both are same. Plus minus. Okay. And this also 2 it will become. Shall I write 2 here directly? Why we are going to make more steps? 2. But only 2 it is going to come. Definitely. Why? Because that is why we should make. Or else here you are going to get confused. That is why let me take this also. Okay. At least this is going to cancel with n, that you accept, plus 2, not 2, cos n pi by 4 minus n theta by 2. Okay. Up to here it is it okay? Why? Because see, we have submitted n pi has come, plus minus have cancelled like you think. Okay. Now only these will be there. Now what will happen, you tell me. Here no 2 power n will come, only 2 will come. 2 into this one will come. Okay, that is the final answer. You see what I am writing now. 2 cos to the power of n. Wait a minute. Here 2 power n, why you have not written? This is inside and n is there. Only cos to the power of n. 2 power n also has to come, na? 2 power n. We have done mistake earlier. Okay, 2 power n. 2 power n cos power n pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay. And here also you see 2 cos n pi by 4 minus n theta by 2. Okay. Now see, finally shall I write 2 power n plus 1? Okay, write down. That will be our final answer. Write down. You see, why? Because 2 into 2 multiplication. 2 power n plus 1 cos power n, but pi by 4 minus theta by 2 into again this cos n pi by 4 minus n theta by 2. Okay, this is your final answer. Understand this? Okay. Now we do one thing, we stop this class. We will continue in the next class. Why? Because see, this Demoivres theorem we will take minimum 6 classes. Okay. If required 7, 8 classes also we will take. Thank you very much.